How's it going, everyone? So in this video I'm going to show you guys some Kegel exercises you can do at home. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Do appreciate the support, it helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. If you guys have noticed, I did shave and I did get married too. Day after, I'm super pumped, you guys. Let's make some videos. Let's get to it. So first exercise that we're going to do for Kegels are going to be the bridge. The bridge is one of the best exercises that you could possibly do. Hands down, one of the best. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a few sets, and then I'm going to show you guys one more exercise that you can do. Follow along at home if you guys want to see some great results. So we're going to do 20 repetitions, you guys. So get into this position, then we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really focus on squeezing the glutes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. As simple as that, you guys. We're going to take a 30-second break, then we will do it again, and then I will show you guys another exercise that you can do that's just as good as that one. So again, these exercises that I'm showing you, very good to do. Just make sure you're following along at home. You will see some good results. So let's get back to it, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 30-second break, and then I'll show you guys one more exercise, and then we are done. Simple as that. Very quick, very effective, very easy to do. Try to keep this video short for you guys, just so you guys can see the benefits. So again, take a little break. Breaks are important. I know a lot of people just go in their videos. You need a break, you guys. You need to settle down and just to allow yourself to recover. This is the best way to do it, in my opinion. 30-second breaks are amazing. Next exercise is wall squats. If you're not doing wall squats yet, you are missing out. Wall squat holds. We're going to get into this position. We're going to hold the wall squat for 10 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Literally as simple as that. I'm not going to keep you guys too long. I just want to show you a quick video. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.